Welcome to my channel, Initialofearn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so this is the channel. Make sure subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Thanks. Hello guys, this is Dishan. Welcome back to my channel with another video. And again, we're making a video on golden tea. But this time I will give you the payment proof. Actually, many of guys are asking me in comment. They ask me, so please give me the payment proof, give me the payment proof. So I'm here making that. So okay, let's do the topic now. But first, if you're not subscribe my channel, if you're watching my video first time, so just go to the subscribe button and smash it and hit the bell button for coming soon video. So link in the description. If you're not yet registered on this site, so you will find that link in the video description. I will give you, just simply copy that. I'll click on there and search. Just wait for 5 seconds. It will run the time for 5 seconds. Just click on deny or allow for if you want the notification about this. So just click on the skip this ad. Close it and yeah. Actually, I already registered and login, so I have to log off first and tell you how to register or login. Okay. No, actually, my internet is speed a bit low, a little bit low. So sorry. Yeah, as you can see the registration button. If you click on this, you will see the registration page. Click on it. Yeah, as you can see, you just have to simply give your email address. A promo code is not required, just simply fill the captcha, put that words in the box and just simply click on the sign up for registration. Okay, so I have already an account on it, so I just simply click on the login and sorry for that. Yeah, so as you can see the dashboard. So if you want to cash your energy points, so first of all I will give you some review of the site. So if you see this option account, so you can see all the information about your account, how many you have coins, golds, received from raffles, replenished, withdraw. And if you go to the store, you can buy pushes, medium pushes, big pushes, and if you go to the game option, you will see all of your progress. Just collect leaves, sell leaves, and if you will go to the deposit, you can deposit many of the way: Kiwi, Yandex, Pay, Visa, Mastercard, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Dash, ADB Cash, OKPay, bank. Through the bank you can also deposit it through the bank. So if you go to Cashout, here is your energy points. You can withdraw it or reinvest in the market energy market option to increase your daily limit. So if you will go to the bonus, you have a extra option to get your bonus. You can claim it after 24 hours. So you can also exchange your gold to coins. And if you will go to this option, guys, this is the best option and the great service. If you have any problem about this site, Cashout problem, as you can see the option regarding the rules of game, forget the password. If you forget your password, you can find it by sending the message. Fund were not credited to the game account. I did not receive ordered payment. I did not receive the SMS. uh, if you guys send the message and you did not receive, you can send that again. Cashout problem, if you have any cashout problem, so you can tell them and resolve your problem. It will fix it. So if you guys go to the referral option, here's your referral link. You can share with your friends on social medias, everywhere where you want. So I have already 12 referrals, direct referral, and 2 indirect, and also in 1 incorrect. So okay guys, let's go to the Cashout option, because I'm making this video about Cashout of payment. As you can see, I have 103 energy points and I want to withdraw it. So I have already given the paid wallet address. I just simply click on this option, and guys, first of all you have to pay the 6% fee. So I will put, I have 103 and they will pay me 97 rubs. Just simply guys cash out the money. So I have to Google authenticator code, because I have already set the authentication privacy security. So where is the golden yeah, just copy the code and paste on it and send. Funds have been successfully to my paid wallet. So let's see, let's check it's sent or not. Just simply put your login details. If you guys have bought the paid wallet, just also go to my video description and find out the link. Nine 6 4 89 4 6. I have go to the Gmail, go to my Gmail. As you can see guys, I have received 96 rubs into my paid wallet. Paid wallet, as you can see the date and time. This is my wallet address. This is my wallet address, and I have to check it. Hey, I have received my M6. As you can see, is 7 November to 2018, 10 08 AM, and it's the Russian time, according to the Russian time, and I received 96.08 rub into my wallet. Okay guys, hope you guys like my video. Just please comment me in the comment section as a feedback. I will give you reply zone. Thank you guys, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.